Subscribe to Carfolio to stay updated with the latest SUV reviews and be a part of the adventure. The 2025 Sportage comes with an updated engine. It offers better fuel efficiency and driving experience compared to the 2024 model. The turbocharged engine provides stronger performance, especially in city driving and light off-road conditions. Kia has improved the suspension in the 2025 model. The new suspension system absorbs bumps more effectively and gives the driver better control on rough roads. Compared to the 2024 model, it offers a more agile driving experience in corners. The 2025 Sportage is more capable on challenging terrains than the 2024 model, thanks to improved traction control and all-wheel drive options. The increased ground clearance also adds to its off-road appeal, making it a more versatile SUV. The 2025 Sportage is equipped with advanced LED headlights. These headlights provide a wider beam spread and clearer visibility during night drives. They are more efficient and enhance safety compared to the 2024 model. The leather seats in the 2025 Sportage have been upgraded for better comfort and durability. With more ergonomic support and premium materials, long drives are now much more enjoyable. This is a noticeable improvement over the 2024 model, which offered less padding and support. The 2025 Kia Sportage brings several updates over the 2024 model, including a more efficient engine, improved suspension, and advanced lighting technology. The interior has also seen enhancements, particularly in seating comfort, making the 2025 model a superior vehicle. While the wheels are solid for light off-road use, they might not be the best choice for more challenging terrains. The tread pattern and tire size are not optimized for extreme off-roading, which could limit the vehicle's performance in such conditions. The Sportage's wheels, paired with the suspension setup, may not provide the smoothest ride on very rough or uneven surfaces. Drivers may experience some road vibrations or bumps, which could affect overall comfort during longer drives on such terrains. The Sportage's wheels provide solid traction, especially in wet or slippery conditions. This makes driving safer, as the tires grip the road well, reducing the risk of skidding. The all-season tires included in the package further enhance this capability, making the Sportage a reliable choice for various weather conditions. The 2025 Hyundai Sportage features a high-resolution screen with a modern infotainment system. This system enhances user experience with its fast and smooth performance, making access to apps and functions easy. The screen is reported by some users to have low contrast. This may make it harder to distinguish some screen content, especially in low light conditions. Occasionally, system software updates can cause compatibility issues or technical problems. This may lead to temporary malfunctions of some screen features. The technology and screen interface of the 2025 Hyundai Sportage offer modern and user-friendly features overall. The advanced infotainment system, high-resolution screen, and comprehensive connectivity options stand out. However, there are some drawbacks, such as complex menus, screen brightness issues, and potential software update problems. Considering these aspects will help in evaluating the user experience thoroughly. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next review.